The Uganda Airlines remains under scrutiny after incurring penalties amounting to over $4 million due to the delays in settling the fuel deficit payments. Following a postponement, the airline's delegation appeared before the Committee on Commissions, Statutory Authorities and the state enterprises to respond to the queries raised.
You give me a comparative figure. If I went on the market to lease.
While clarifying on the procurement decisions, the issue of the fuel supply arose, attributing the losses made by the entity to the high fuel costs, aircraft depreciation and the crew allowances.
Would want to know, why would you allow the debt to remain outstanding in a manner that attracts interest?
Chair, it's not that we allow it, but it's of our financial
clause.
Yes, constraints. So that's why we've asked for a payment plan.
However, to address the aircraft depreciation caused by the limited access to spare parts following the halted production, Uganda Airlines is planning to purchase a new fleet of 8 aircraft.
Eight aircraft. That is, we're looking at on the narrow body, 4 of them. Then for wide body, we are looking at 2. That means the long haul ones, wide body 2, and then 2 freighters. The freighters, we are looking at a standard body, that means it's a small one, and then a medium range one. So those are 2. So for the medium range, 4, then for the wide body, 2, and then for the freighters, 2.
During the inquiry, it was stated that the aircraft would have a lifespan of 6 to 7 years, which is expected to enhance the travel efficiency and expand the number of destinations served.
An engine goes for, as the engineer alluded, the engine will go for a shop visit, which is a C-check at the end of the after running for 10,000 hours. So in that case, we then say that the engine can run for more than 6 years, because you cannot estimate for how long in terms of years the engine will run to make the 10,000 hours. So it could be 6 years and above, or it could be 6 years.
Despite some concerns, several members of the parliament expressed support for the plan to acquire a new fleet of the aircraft, noting that it would enhance the flight experience and open up new destinations. However, they also emphasized that the airline must avoid the challenges experienced with the previous aircraft.
The information now we have is that Uganda Airlines operates 17 routes with limited number of planes. Their plan is to increase the number of routes by increasing on the number of planes, and they intend to purchase, I think, around 8. But they also have a strategic plan of having internal flights, especially when we have towards going to Kisoro, we have people going to Guru, Banaras City now, and even other parts of Uganda. Remember, Uganda Airlines is not operating any internal flight. And this is a national flight. We need to enjoy it. We need to have the services within. And we cannot have these services if they have extra planes.
kuba kuliko tekubaddeeko work plan era nkyerese nkibabuuzizza ekyokubiri ne utegina kisayitinze batwage mu work plan ne strategy gye balina na nnyonyi ki era procurement bagenda kukozesa procurement ki tetusuubira kugula ate ennyonyi zitakyalina repair kyetusimbyeko essira tebaba procurement batubuulire ennyonyi ki bulandi ki type ki naye ate bawe omwaganya.
Regardless of the ongoing losses, the airline deficit decreased to shillings 237.855 billion in 2024, down from shillings 324.9 billion in 2023.